everyone, and today I will be teaching you how to install Python. So, as everyone watching probably does not know, I like coding, and I code in Python and C Sharp. But today we are going to be using Python. So this is the first of two videos that I will be posting today, and this is about how to install Python. So once you're in Google, just go. So you can either click up here or down here and search Python. Boom. And then you want to go to this first site, python.org. And once you're there, you should see this screen. So I already have Python installed, but if you go to downloads, then you just click here. And for some people watching, you may not be able to install this, but most people watching, if you have like Linux, Mac, Windows, and I think you can even install it on like Chromebook, then you can install it. So you can either install a specific release, which I do not recommend this because then you might get like a earlier release. But like if you'd like to, of course you can. Or you can always just click here to download the latest version. So once you click that, you should see down here that it is downloading. And then once it's finished, just open it up and run through the installation sequence, which I will show in a second. Okay, so you should see this, but it should not say upgrade, it should say install. So you can either customize it and do any of this, but if you just want to do easy, just click install, and then it should install it, and then it should update it whenever you download the installer again for the most recent version. But you're probably going to have the most recent version, and I believe that I do not because I have not upgraded it in a while. Okay, so mine seems to be taking a while, but once you're finished, you can just close it out. And that will be the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and share the video. And if you enjoyed, make sure to turn on the notifications.